What's the meaning of CPL? CPL. CPL.
CPL. CPL. The term CPL can have multiple meanings depending on the context. It could refer to a military rank in the U.S. Army or Marine Corps, where CPL is the abbreviation for corporal. In electronics and computing, CPL is shorthand for couples, which refers to the number of pairs of wires or conductive elements in a cable. Additionally, CPL may also refer to the Chicago Public Library or the Canadian Premier League. The meaning of CPL should be inferred based on the context in which it is used.